Hello adventurers! Today I will take you on a journey through time, not with a time machine, but with three magical tenses: present perfect simple, present perfect continuous, and past simple. Each of them is like a different type of travel ticket. One takes you back to a specific moment. Another shows the traces of your adventures. And the last one focuses on the journey itself. Ready? So let's go!
Blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me, dancing in the colors, lightning.
So let's start from past simple tense. Past simple is like our postcard from the past. We use it for actions that happened in a specific time in the past. For example, yesterday, last year, in 2010, on Monday. How to form sentences in this tense? Look, we need subject and verb in past simple tense, and of course object. For example, I visited Hania last summer.
I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me.
I lost my luggage in Madrid last July. Here we have a regular verb with ed ending. Here we have irregular verb, the second form of the verb lose. Other examples from my life. I climbed the Eiffel Tower in 2018 and I still remember the view. We lost our luggage in Madrid last July. She met her friend on a train to Berlin in 2015. Now let's talk about present perfect simple. How to form sentences in this tense. So first you need a subject, then have or has, and a verb in past participle. For example, I have visited 25 countries so far, but Japan is still on my list. She has broken her suitcase handle. Now she can't carry it properly. So you see, this tense, present perfect simple, is our photo album. We don't say exactly when something happened, but we know it is connected to the present moment. When do we use it? So when we want to talk about our life experiences. For example, have you ever been to the USA? About recently completed actions with present results, and of course changes over time. Now the present perfect continuous is on the stage. Let's look how to form a sentence in this tense. So you need a subject, have or has, plus been, plus the verb with ing ending. For example, I have been traveling around Greece for 3 months and I still haven't seen everything. She has been waiting at the airport since 6 a.m. So look, Now, the present perfect continuous is like our travel vlog. It doesn't only show the destination, but also the whole process. The sweat, the waiting, the action. We use it to emphasize the duration of an action, especially with foreign scenes. Unfinished actions continuing until now, and of course temporary activities. Now let's compare all three tenses in one short story. Listen. In 2019, I went to New York for the first time. This sentence is in past simple. We've got definite time here. I have been to New York 3 times. This sentence is in present perfect simple. I'm talking about my experience, but there is no time. And I've been exploring New York for the last 2 weeks. We've got the present perfect continuous in this tense, in this sentence. We've got the action which is still in progress, duration here. Time expressions of these 3 tenses. So past simple. In past simple, we've got yesterday, last week, in 2010, Monday, and so on. In present perfect simple, we've got ever, never, already, just, yet, so far, recently. In present perfect continuous, we've got for, since, how long, all day, the whole week, and so on. Examples in story form. I went to Greece last summer. I have already swum in the Mediterranean twice this year. I have been swimming in the Mediterranean since the morning. Look at my sunburn. So, my dear travelers, past simple is your ticket to a moment in the past. Present perfect simple is your album of experiences. And present perfect continuous is your video diary of the journey itself. Which ticket do you prefer to use in your English adventures? Tell me in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more journeys through English grammar. See you on the road or maybe on the board. Thank you. See you next time.